YouTubers, here we go again. We have another unboxing video to do. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or if it's a normal unboxing. If it's a website, I'll leave their link down below. And if it's Amazon, my affiliate link will also be down below. Definitely they are safe links to click. So all you gotta do is check them out. Click the link down below. See what goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out so they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are in prime time now, guys. Holiday season is fast among us. Can't believe this month went by so fast. Kind of scary. But definitely check these guys out. I'm not sure what this is. I've heard of that company, but it might be another unboxing. I don't know. But we shall see what it is. Open this. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. We have a surprise here. A couple cuts. And fold that. What is this? This thing. Oh. Alright. Got a little note. It's a RayGalax Cube Green. Alright, so this is Amazon. Definitely an Amazon product, I would say. So I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And all you gotta do is click on it. And if you like this item... Oops, this is crooked, hold on. If you like this item, just click on it, add it to your cart, check out now. And they'll ship this to you fast. This is pretty cool. Cube Green. For plants. Built-in speakers, air purifier, humidifier, flower pot, desk lamp, alarm, clock, oxygen, temperature. So you can grow your fruits and vegetables along with your PC or next to your bedstand. Whoa. And it has a calendar. Oh man, this year's almost over. I can't believe that. Look at that, man. We are in November, December, that's it. 2 months. Pretty scary. Yeah, working with the MacBook, desk stand, kitchen. This does look cool. So we get check them out on their social feeds. RayGalax official, grow area. 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. USB type. Also RayGalax.com if you want to see their Cyber Monday deals. But I'm sure they're probably both on Amazon also. Alright. We got the manual. We got the good stuff down at the bottom. Alright. I have no idea what I'm going to put in here, to be honest. So it might be a little difficult to check out. But you guys probably catch the drift on how to use it. Up cover, eye protection light. There's telescopic rod. Planting tank water inlet. Touch panel. Humidifier spray nozzle. Air purifier. Plant fill light. Humidification tank water inlet. Outer barrier. A lot of good stuff in here. Current group alarm. Alright. We shall knows how to clean it. Tank water and all that good stuff. Alright, this could be interesting. What do we got in these little baggies? And we got something here. Kind of like a shoestring. We got some filters. There we go. Alright. Get 3 filters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we get one of these. Kind of like a snow cone thing. One of the beakers. Now here is the unit. Here's the USB. Plug it in here. Like so. Here's the bottom. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Ooh. I'll probably hit this by the computer. Kind of like a tripod. Whoa. Alright. I wouldn't, I don't know, because the water would kind of freak me out if I would have, say, knock it over. I wouldn't put it too close to your electronics. It might be kind of iffy. But if you're really careful and you know it's there always, then by all means, leave it at your desk. But for me, I might accidentally, especially if you're a gamer, I might accidentally knock it off. That would be kind of scary situation, but it's definitely small enough to fit anywhere. But right now for the demo video, I know it's there. It's going to be right by the computer. So, but like I said, your choice of where you're going to put it. And yeah, it looks pretty cool though. RayGalax, check them out. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we have the display Wednesday. Yep, that's right. I don't think the time's right, but it might be set to where they're at because it's on Celsius. Whoa. You can use it as a lamp. There we go. That's bright. And the LED bad boys right there. And it's got to touch it. That's water for the humidifier. Shut that off right now. Maybe that one because I could feel it. And I think that's for the plant to grow. So really cool, easy to use. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to stick in it, but probably something down the road. But definitely check them out, RayGalax, if you're interested in getting one of these. All you got to do is add it to your cart. Check out now. Be safe. Have a good night.